Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to write a lifeguard job application letter using the sample letter we have here from Daniel Mercer. A job application letter is a formal document that introduces yourself to an employer, explains why you're applying, highlights your qualifications, and shows why you would be a good fit for the position. It's important because this is often the first impression you make, and a strong letter can help you stand out among other applicants. Now let's walk through the letter paragraph by paragraph so you know exactly what to write and why each part matters. Heading and contact information. We start with the applicant's personal details. Daniel Mercer, 508 Lake Pine Drive, Orlando, Florida, 32828. Email, daniel.mercer@email.com. Phone, 4079-286-140. This section is important because it tells the employer who you are and how to reach you. When you include your full address, email, and phone number, you're showing professionalism and making it easy for the hiring manager to contact you. Always make sure your email looks formal and your phone number is one you actively use. This small detail already gives a clean and organized impression. Then we include the date. Date, October 15th, 2026. Adding the date is a standard business letter practice and shows that your letter is current and prepared specifically for this application. Next, we write the employer's contact details. Hiring manager, Sunwave Aquatic and Recreation Center, 1720 Coral Reef Parkway, Miami, Florida, 33157. This shows respect and professionalism. It proves you took the time to find the company's information instead of sending a generic letter. Employers appreciate when applicants show effort from the start. Then we add the subject line. Subject, application for lifeguard position. The subject makes it clear what the letter is about. It helps the hiring manager quickly understand your purpose without reading everything first. Salutation. Now we include the salutation. Dear hiring manager, this is your formal greeting. It sets the tone of respect and professionalism. If you don't know the name of the hiring manager, using hiring manager is perfectly acceptable. A good salutation creates a good start before the employer even reads the main content. First paragraph. Let's look at the first paragraph. I am writing to apply for the lifeguard position at Sunwave Aquatic and Recreation Center. With over 2 years of experience working at both community pools and beachfront facilities, I have developed strong water surveillance skills, quick emergency responsibilities, and a commitment to maintaining a safe swimming environment for all guests. This opening paragraph is very important because it introduces who you are and why you're applying. The first sentence clearly states your intention. You are applying for the lifeguard position. This helps the employer immediately understand the purpose of your letter. The second sentence begins highlighting your qualifications. Mentioning over 2 years of experience immediately builds credibility. Employers want lifeguards who are already trained and responsible, so showing experience right away strengthens your application. Also, listing skills like water surveillance, emergency response, and maintaining a safe environment shows that you understand what the job requires. These details signal that you're serious and capable of handling the responsibilities. Second paragraph. Now let's look at the second paragraph. In my previous role at Ocean Crest Community Pool in Orlando, I conducted regular safety checks, monitored swimmer activity, enforced facility rules, and performed first aid assistance when needed. I am certified in CPR, first aid, and AED through the American Red Cross, and I stay updated on all safety protocols to ensure quick and appropriate action in any situation. This paragraph goes deeper into your skills and experience. When you mention responsibilities like safety checks and enforcing rules, you're showing that you understand how important discipline and vigilance are in lifeguard work. Employers want lifeguards who prevent accidents, not just respond to them, so emphasizing routine safety tasks is very effective. Talking about certifications is also essential. Lifeguard employers almost always require CPR, first aid, and AED certification. Mentioning not only that you have them, but also that you stay updated shows responsibility and professionalism. This reassures the employer that you're prepared for emergencies and take safety seriously. Third paragraph. Now let's move to the next paragraph. I am dependable, alert, and calm under pressure. Qualities that are essential for a successful lifeguard. Sunwave's reputation for high safety standards and community engagement greatly appeals to me, and I would welcome the opportunity to contribute my skills to your team. In this paragraph, the applicant focuses on personal qualities. Lifeguard work requires someone who can stay focused, react quickly, and remain calm even in stressful situations. By highlighting these qualities, you're showing the employer that you have the right personality for the role. Then, the applicant compliments the company. Mentioning Sunwave's reputation shows that you did your research and that you admire the organization. Employers love applicants who appreciate their mission and want to be part of it. It makes you sound sincere and motivated. Closing paragraph. The final content paragraph says, I am available for an interview at your earliest convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to join your organization. This is where you wrap up the letter. You invite them to contact you, which shows openness and readiness. Then you thank them. Expressing appreciation is always a good professional practice. Ending with interest in joining the team shows enthusiasm without sounding desperate. Finally, the letter closes with, Sincerely, signature, Daniel Mercer. This is the standard, respectful way to end a professional letter. Before we wrap up, here are some general tips to keep in mind when writing your own lifeguard job application letter. Make sure your tone stays professional but confident. Lifeguard work is about responsibility, so emphasize safety, alertness, and emergency response skills. Always include your certifications because employers rely on them. Be specific about your experience. The more detail you provide, the more reliable you appear. And don't forget to customize your letter for the company you're applying to. Showing that you understand their values makes a big difference. And that's how you write a lifeguard job application letter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for writing tutorials. See you on the next video.